first time in Denmark, and we're gonna go out. That's Joe.
As well.
What?
Just popping as well.
Oh, she's hopping in. That's Raven. Co-workers, by the way. Random guy. What's your name, random guy?
Lars.
Lars. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun night. So, let's go. Guys, that's a Flamingo Bar that has ping pong, and I will go there. Yo, boy is hyped.
He is, yeah.
Vlog, yeah.
YouTube?
Yeah.
How many subscribers?
Not a lot.
A lot? It's progress, growing.
Yeah, I just started. Yeah.
It's a private party. We are told if we see anybody that's not there, we have to keep them.
So it's like a freshman week kind of thing?
Freshman, yeah. It's only where students of less specific education that's going on.
Yeah. All the places
Some of them are, but up here.
So I reckon we should go out along the river, see how the parties are along the river, and then maybe consider
also along the river is a lot of great places.
Yeah. All right.
Thanks very
All
much.
right. Let's go, baby. Oh, what was your name?
Alex.
Alex. Nice to meet you. Do you work for this business or for another?
No, I only work for the government. It's like university. You get free alcohol for teaching the new students on how the life is at the university. We are throwing the party the whole week. We are having different events and such for the students, all funded by the government, so they can get to know each other, their classmates.
Yeah,
they
that makes
start.
sense. Yeah. Do you have your phone? Let me give you my Instagram and stuff. Cause you're super cool. Hey.
Have a good night, man.
You too. Okay, here we go. I will not give up tonight. Because there's a club next door that is pretty lit.
This should be hard.
Hey, look at this good boy.
It's a good boy, Sheba.
Hey, he's a good boy.
He's a good boy.
All right, so we are going to be walking to, Joe?
Cyclone Bar.
Cyclone Bar. Because probably there's cheap drinks, yeah?
And it has beer pong.
Oh, beer pong. Your
Last
boy.
time we were there,
Hey, there he is. Oh my gosh. Last time you were there, you said what?
it was too crowded to play beer pong.
Wow. But that was probably on a weekend, right?
Yeah, that was Friday.
Yeah, Friday. See, I'm so hyped to experience a actual weekend here because.
And you're going to be away next week.
Wait. Hold on. Wait. I gotta see the schedule. I might need to rearrange the schedule. But this bridge, yo, not gonna lie. This bridge is pretty dope.
And there's a punk sign at the end of the bridge.
Attention, skinny people are easier to kidnap, stay safe, and eat a lot of pizza. Yeah, let's go in. Why not? Yeah? Let's go.
right.
We're gonna go. Sexual, yeah, in my everything you ever need to rock your body, everybody, yeah. would be the #1 player in the world. Oh! Oh, give me some! Give me some! Don't leave me hanging! Don't leave me hanging! Hey, come on. Oh wow, the concentration. Wow. Hey, cut her off. Cut her off. She's done. Hey, you're done. No more alcohol for you. No more alcohol for you. Okay, let's see him. Oh, that was so solid! My guy! My guy, give me some! He's sober. He could drive tonight. He's sober. He's sober. Oh my god. And he's single. He's single too. Yeah. Wow. The ground is so sticky. I love it.
You're filming everything.
Everything. I got to.
It's fucking nice.
I got to, relive this whole night. Just in case y'all miss my face. Yeah, buddy on me. I don't know what we're doing. I'm just out here vlogging. And like, I forgot that drunk people love the camera. This is gonna be fun. This floor is so sticky. Hey yo, hold on. Look at how many Red Bulls they're drinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yo!
Hey, waterman, you know what a waterman is?
No, what's a waterman? This, okay. Okay. Wow. Wow. Dang. Respect. Cool?
What are you filming?
My life. I'm filming my life.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, but...
I'm not a big YouTuber yet.
No, okay.
Yeah, it's bring your phone out. You can follow me. Bring your phone out. YouTube. I'll take you. You take this. Yeah.
Oh, I thought so. You were making YouTube.
Yeah. Wait, worldwide winter. There I am. I'm a new YouTuber.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Now 96
Okay, I'll follow.
and 97 tomorrow.
Let's take a screenshot.
Take a screenshot. Yeah, go ahead.
What do you do? Like, what do you like?
Travel. I do crazy stuff.
Vlogs.
Yeah, vlogs. Yeah. So, vlog this. And like,
I'm gonna follow you.
I'm trying to get everyone in this bar to follow me.
Yeah, do that.
And
Because when people are drunk, they're gonna do everything.
no, everything. I don't know.
Follow me.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is what I need to do every single night. Okay. What?
I'm glad we chose this bar.
Yeah. I'm telling you, with me, you will always have a crazy night. It's a Tuesday. Who has a crazy night on a Tuesday? I do. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go to the bar. I'll be right back. Huh? What? She said don't get too drunk. They don't know me. They don't know me. Okay. It's ridiculous. All right. That is too much for me. Oh, what do you want?
No, I'm just coming to see what you're up to.
Oh, let me tell you what. Yo boy is up. Oh, no, yeah. Yo boy is up to nothing good. Okay. Okay, I see the word for toilet. We're gonna go down. Hold on. What's going on? Me? I'm a YouTuber.
You're YouTube. Nice.
Where you guys from? Where you from?
Here.
Here?
Oh, yes.
Can I film you?
Rachel.
Hi. What's your name?
Josephine.
Wait, say it again?
Josephine.
Josephina.
Yes, exactly.
And you're from here?
Yes, I'm from Aarhus, yes.
Okay.
Where are you from?
America, Florida.
Okay, nice. Why are you in Denmark?
Why not?
Yeah, well.
Exactly. Why are you not in America? Yeah.
Because Denmark.
Yeah. Hi.
Hey,
Yeah.
don't speak for YouTube.
Yeah. All right. So and then we got what's your name, by the way?
Julie.
Her name's Julie. What's your name?
My name's Jones.
Jones. All right. From Denmark?
Yes.
Denmark? Yes.
Jonas. Denmark.
Eunice.
Yes.
Eunice. And Jonas and bonus. Okay, that's what we're just gonna say. Just for y'all guys to remember, because I'm not gonna remember.
It's funny you have a carry around camera. Yeah, he's a YouTuber. Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna play now. Is that all right?
I'm trying to become fit. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. Oh wait. Can you guys take your phones out and follow me on YouTube?
Sorry? Sure.
Yeah.
Subscribe?
Yeah. Subscribe.
What's your
You're
name?
next.
I'm not